Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we are going to unbox the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $89 on sale from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this Apple Pencil out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Here's the Apple Pencil itself on the packaging. So minimalistic design. On this end here, you have the Apple Pencil branding. And yeah, so really love the simplistic presentation. Let's take a look on the sides of the box. Here you have Apple Pencil on this side. You have a pull tab on that side. Nothing here on this end of the box. And you have another Apple Pencil branding on this side of the box. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. Here's the back side of the box. Here you can see how to pair up your Apple Pencil. This is for iPad models with a magnetic Apple Pencil connector. So anything from iPad Pro, iPad Air 2018 and up. Here is the model number. Apple Pencil 2nd generation, designed by Apple in California. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Pencil. So here we have a pull tab. Let's go ahead and pull this off. So taking off the plastic shrink wrap. Here it is again without the plastic shrink wrap. And here we have another pull tab. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And right away, we are greeted by designed by Apple in California. Now let's take a look at the printed materials here. In here is the Apple Pencil itself. We'll take a look at that later. And the printed materials that we have here is a quick startup guide. So nothing inside this compartment. So here's the Apple Pencil. The quick startup guide of the Apple Pencil. And here you have simple instructions on how to set up your Apple Pencil. Here it says magnetically attached to the iPad Pro to pair, charge, and store your Apple Pencil, as you can see here on your right. We'll do that later. And in here, this has a feature saying that if you double tap, you can change the modes that you are using in. And this has a replaceable tip. Unfortunately, this generation doesn't come with replaceable tips, but it is what it is. And now let's go ahead and move on to other printed materials. There's just some safety and safety information and other legal information. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the Apple Pencil that we have here. Let's remove it from the packaging and remove this wrap. And here is the Apple Pencil. Such a minimalistic minimalistic design. Feels good in the hands. Writes like a natural pencil once you have a grip on it. Here's the tip. And you have this one side that is flat. And you have the Apple Pencil branding on this tip end of the Apple Pencil. You can also get your name engraved or printed here. But that's an option for Apple. So here you have one side that is flat and all sides are rounded. Here's a 360-degree view, and you have one side that is flat so it doesn't roll off into the distance. And yeah, so that is the Apple Pencil, and let's go ahead and try this out. So to set up your Apple Pencil, all you have to do is attach it to the magnetic strip. Here's the Apple Pencil with my iPad Pro. Let's go ahead and try this out. This is the Apple Notes app, and here, once you tap it, you can see it changes mode from eraser to write mode. And let's go ahead and try this out on my iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1. Let's write out Hello World. So it actually writes naturally, like feel like it's like writing on paper. So there's no difference in between writing on an actual piece of paper and on an iPad. That's my experience. So double tap to switch to erase mode, and there you have it. So let's go ahead and open the Apple Pages app. So it's like a Microsoft Word document, but for Apple Pages, you can also use the Apple Pencil, like you can see here. Let's write out Hello World with an exclamation point. Let's draw a smiley face here. And yeah, so using this Apple Pencil is just like using a whiteboard. That's how I feel when I use the Apple Pencil trying to write things out. It's like using a whiteboard, a small portable whiteboard. Is how I would best describe my experience. Let's close that out and open Adobe Fresco, formerly known as Adobe Sketch. And let's try out the one feature is the push sensitivity. So if you don't push down, this is what you will get. It's used a paintbrush. This is not pushing down. But once you start to push down onto the screen, you get this more of a bolder effect. If you like write normally, it writes like that, but if you like push down, that's what you would get. And same thing for the other mode, the erase mode. The more you push down towards the screen, the bigger it gets. So yeah, so that is the Apple Pencil second generation for iPad models 2018 and up. So that's the unboxing of the Apple Pencil second generation. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Troy. I will definitely see you on the next one.